a lot of great stuff on your stand. Tell me what's been the most exciting things to bring to the show this year?
Well, we're quite proud of the fact that we bring our FlowSonic flow sensor technology to the show. It's not the first time it's been here, but this year we return having been selected as the sole provider of the technology to Formula One for the next 2 years. We've done a lot of work on it, and in addition to the Formula One activity, we've been developing other versions of the technology for automotive use, of which we've obviously brought along to exhibit as well.
Congratulations on that deal. I mean, as you say, it seems like technology which has got a long way to go, certainly in the automotive sense, was just sort of starting. Where do you see it going?
The motorsport opportunity is good. It demonstrates what the technology is capable of. The idea that that technology has a wider use, perhaps in automotive terms or in other fields outside of motorsport, has clearly been of interest to us for a while. We've developed a low-flow variant of the technology. It does what it says on the tin, effectively. It measures flow very accurately at very low flows, which is much more suited to general automotive development use.
Great. So tell me, what else have you got on the stand? A couple of other products on the stand.
We've also brought our latest innovations in our magneto-resistive technology. We use a particular variant of a magneto-resistive device in the form it's a tunneling device. And we've developed some electronics around that particular device in order to create a position measurement technology which has a couple of unique features. One, it operates very, very fast, up to 5 kilohertz in terms of response rate. And it also has the ability to measure through large sections of non-ferrous materials. Now we're developing smaller variants of the technology that's allowing us to penetrate into areas that we've not been exposed to previously.
I also see you've got your level meters here. My understanding you're experimenting with different materials and sort of pushing the boundaries there as well.
Yeah, capacitive level sensor technology, which we've had for a good few years. We have spent some time recently developing new materials, new techniques to manufacture some of these devices. Additive manufacturing is now pretty much commonplace. We've used it to great effect to develop custom shapes and develop, working with a couple of additive manufacturing companies to develop special materials that are specific to some of the aggressive fuels and oils that we want these devices to operate in. It's enabled us to produce custom shapes very, very fast. Sometimes overnight we can produce a new custom design, and obviously got the benefits of some of these new lightweight composite materials. They are much, much lighter than more traditional materials that we would have used previously.
We'll lead me on to ask you what about PMW. What are your views of the show in general?
I still maintain it's probably the best European show for a company like ourselves. The fact that we see design engineers, we can see purchasing individuals from different companies without the general public that often would not perhaps understand what we offer. It is a good fit for a company like ourselves, yeah.